Hello and welcome to NoBrokerage.com. So today we are at Unimont and we have Mr. Aryan Trivedi sir with us, who is head of the sales and marketing. So let's have a chat with them. Hello sir, thank you for your time. So basically, I would just like to know first about Unimont's legacy.
So, Unimont was established in 2010.
Okay.
Since then, we have developed more than 15 projects. We have delivered more than 15 projects across Mumbai. Our prime focus remains in Navi Mumbai. We have a couple of projects in Mumbai as well, but our prime focus remains to be Navi Mumbai.
And with what vision was it established?
So, the vision was to make affordable housing easier, but not compromising with quality at all. That was the primary vision. And after that, we have developed a couple of ultra luxury projects as well. But that is how we keep progressing.
And may I know in what all areas is Unimont active currently?
Currently, we have projects in Mumbai 3.0. We have a OC received township project in Karjat. We have 3.5 acres township project in Khopoli. We have ongoing project in Jogeshwari as well, that is ultra premium SV Road. We have a couple of land banks in Kushpak Nagar, Dronagiri.
Sir, I would like to know a general price range of these projects.
So we have projects starting from 25 lakhs going up to 4 crores.
Okay, depending on the area.
Correct.
And I would like to know that what sets the projects of Unimont Group apart from the rest of the projects.
Sure. So our long-term vision is to be in the market for a long time. It's not कि है ना deliver कर दिया and we are out of the project. Even after delivery, we take care of the projects we have delivered. कुछ भी छोटा मोटा issue होता है, we take care of that. So Unimont का differentiator अगर मैं बताऊं, it is about service. It is about giving service to the book clients. When a booking happens, it is the starting of a relationship, not the end. Because sales में typically वो होता है in many developers कि ना booking हो गई को okay चलो, that's over. It's not the case here. We say to each and every customer, now the real relationship has started. That is a big differentiator.
Sir, and I would like to know now in 2026, what particular time period is best to buy a house?
I would say in Maharashtra specifically, Gudi Padwa and all these festivals have a great importance. So that is one hot zone, I would say. Another is obviously Diwali and nearby that particular period.
So basically all the festival periods.
Yes, and because what happens is during all these festivals, for a buyer, as a buyer perspective, there are a lot of offers which are floated. So on a normal day, that offer might not be available, but during all these festivals, we also go all out and make sure that the customers also get some benefit out of it.
Okay, so in this event, are you giving any offers to customers who are?
Yes, we are offering 1 lakh spot booking offer if the customer books here at the stall. We have already got 2 bookings since morning.
That's great. Sir, and any upcoming projects which you would like to talk about?
We have one big project coming up in Ulve.
Okay.
Yes, but that will take around a couple of months' time.
So I want to ask that in the past years in the real estate, what has changed that has maybe helped Unimont grow a bit more?
The psyche has changed. The consumer behavior has changed. Earlier, maybe say in 2010-11, when people used to browse a house, they used to ask 3 basic questions. Light रहेगी, पानी रहेगा. Those were the typical questions at that point of time. But now people are asking questions like, who will be my neighbor? Show me the list of people who have booked in your project. So the psyche has changed. Earlier generation, maybe, the disposable income was not so much. But now the current Gen Z, which we say, they have disposable income. So their set of questions are different.
So has this affected in a bad way or good?
It has affected in a good way.
Okay.
Because See, providing basic necessities isn't enough as on date. People are looking out for quality, and we are delivering quality since 2010. So it's nothing new for us, but people are understanding a brand better.
Also, I would like to know, since you guys have so much of experience in this industry, what are the basic home buyer requirements that every project must have?
Every project, okay. See, nowadays there are a lot of compliances after RERA has come into picture. But every home buyer must look into the RERA details of whatever project they are getting into. The quality of materials used. Nobody asks this question. What kind of materials are used in the construction? In the same lane, you will find a 1 BHK in 35 lakhs. Just 50 meters ahead, 1 BHK you'll find in 45 lakhs. People think कि ये बस महंगा है, but नहीं, they are providing quality. And second, what kind of land parcel it is? Is it a freehold land? Is it a development plot? So the kind of land decides what kind of facility that project will get from the government.
Sir, and you mentioned a point about RERA. So I would also like to ask, what should buyers check beyond RERA?
Okay, beyond RERA, I must say, all the customers must look out for what kind of projects the builder has delivered. Supposing XYZ developer is there, they have delivered 5 projects. A buyer must take that effort to visit those 5 projects.
Okay.
Then the real picture emerges. कि delivered projects में क्या है? When the builder is out of the entire scheme of things.
Real example सामने ही मिल जाएगा basically. So thank you so much, sir,
Okay.
for your time.
Pleasure talk. Thank you.
So if you're interested in any of the projects from Unimont, then please call on the number given below. And और भी information के लिए visit कीजिए nobrokerage.com को.